Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, September the 14th, 2020. We have here a lot of Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. A tectonic with 1 star. A tectonic with 3 stars. A binary puzzle, another binary puzzle. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 puzzles to solve. A lot of puzzles, and yeah, it cost me a lot of time to upload and to solve it. So I need to make an decision this week because yeah, I need to make a decision if I want to continue this or I do only the regular Sudokus and drop the additional with extra Sudokus, or I will continue, but I'm behind with every day, and I think I'm 3 or 4 days behind. Anyway, I want to solve the first Sudoku, and this one is a 1 star Sudoku. It will be number 1521. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the indication of the difficulty level. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 3 is equal to 27, plus 3 is 24, plus 3 is equal to 27. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? The number. Let me see. We have here an 8 in this column, an 8 in the third column, so the column between. The only two places in this second column are these two boxes. The only two boxes for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then and then I cannot continue with the 8. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then. How about we have in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is A3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There, 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So we have a 3 in this row, a 3 in one of these two boxes in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column be next. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 3. How about, the number. The number. Yeah. Let me think. 3, 2, 7. In this middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. Is a 7. Yes. This middle column, 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. Only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright, and now in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in one of these 2 boxes in this row. A 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. Yeah. Let me wait. How about the number? The number. Yeah. Where is the opening? The opening. In the first row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these three boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then two. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 4 in one of these two boxes. In that column, we have a 4 over there. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. You see here 9, no 9 there. The 9 should be here. So here cannot be a 9. So the 9 should be here. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in one of these two boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1, 4, and then 9. 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. This one is tough. It's not a 1 star. I think it's more. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 2, 4, and the 5 is missing. We see here 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 box left for the 1 digit left for this first row for the number 4. These 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 9. Alright, we have a pair. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. And we are missing the 1 and the 9 in this column. 1 and a 9 should be here. 1 and a 9 cannot be here because it's in this big square with a 9 and a 1. So 1 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left. No. 2, 5. We have a 2, 5 there. But these 2 boxes cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a 5 here in this big square. So this should be the 5. This should be a 2. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. 5 is missing, and the 8. 3, 5, 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Alright, Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 should be here. We have a 6 there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there, and all the 2's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. In this big square, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 1, 5, and 8. 1, 5, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 1, 5, 8. That means 1 digit left in this row. 1, 5, 8. This should be the number 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the third column. So the column between. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9, we have a 9 here. No 9 there, 9 should be here. The 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9 in this second column. It's a pair. Let me mark them for you. 1 digit left in the third column for the number 5. 2 digits left for the first column for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Then we have a pair here, 1 and a 9. So in the other boxes cannot be a 1 or a 9, only in these 2 boxes in the last row. And I believe we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be the 9. We have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 9. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The 1, 5, and the 8 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 8 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. I don't think this is a 1 star. I think whether it's a 2 or 3 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the second Sudoku. Bye bye for now.